There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? Welcome back to my channel. You already know who it is. It's your girl A, and we did not come to play today, but to slay. Okay. What's up, y'all? Hope y'all are having like a really great day when y'all are watching this video. I'm having an amazing day. It's finally cooling down outside. Girl, it was like 90 degrees all last week. Like when I tell you it was 90 degrees, it was 90 degrees. It was sunny, it was shining, and it was blazing. Now it is cool outside, like 70 degrees. I know y'all like, girl, 70 degrees. Well, here 70 degrees in Arizona is totally different, okay? But I'm just happy about the cool air because the girl can finally breathe. So anyway, I think I work with this company maybe like once or twice, and they do have some really nice frontals, some really nice hair. This time around, we about to have one of their pre-everything wigs. And when I tell you they just sent the wig in the box, that's all they sent was the wig and the box. Like, you're not getting nothing else but a wig cap. So this is Bay hairs, but you do have this nifty little bag. So if you want to put your wig in it after you put it on and take it off, then girl, you got you a wig. Like I stated, comes in the box. Now, the one thing that I do like when you get just the box is you know that the hair is going to be great. Like, I feel like you should pay attention to detail. The detail is the lace and the knots, okay? And the hair. Like, that's the detail. The detail is the wig, because the wig cannot be wigging. It could be sitting pretty, but we definitely don't want it to look wiggy. Like, we know it's a wig, but do we really need to know that it's a wig? Because, girl, I don't know about you, but I love me a good wig, okay? And if you love a bad wig, well, baby, let me just tell you something. You are not in the right place, okay? Now, I did say that the wig was pre-everything. I might have just twisted the story just a tad bit, just a smidget of a bit, okay? I mean, everything is else done for you, but you will have to cut the lace. And if you don't know how to cut the lace, well then, girl, you may need to watch a tutorial before this one. Now, this lace is HD, and it appears that it wants to be Swiss as well. It's knotting. There's no knots. They have went ahead and bleached it for you already. This is some body wave hair, and it's already got some curl in it. Now, there isn't a drawstring in this unit, so if you're looking for one, honey, this is not the one for you. But I will tell you that you do get an adjustable elastic band, so that way you can make it fit. And there's adjustable plastic band in the back. And this unit came with 3 combs. Oops, it came with 4 combs. I love when they give you a comb in the middle. Baby, I love the comb in the middle because this helps. This does help. Like, I don't want my wig slipping back. I don't know about you, but I'm going to need this comb because it's security and it also helps from the wig slipping back, okay? Yeah, the combs on the sides work too, but the one in the middle is the main focus, okay? Wig has already been bleached and pre-everything. So all you really need to do is put her on and cut the lace. I didn't say go unless you want to go outside with your lace showing. And if that's what you want to do, then girl, that's on you. But here on this channel, we cut the lace, okay? The lace needs to do what it needs to do, which is melt, and then you can go.
All the time. No wonder I'm on a high when I'm with you, when I'm with you. Oh yeah, you like the things that I like. If you don't know, you always give it a try. No one can blame me for crying when I'm without you, when I'm without you. Yeah, know you got dreams of your own, sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone. Oh yeah, yeah. I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, but baby, it's hard for me too. Oh yeah, yeah. Mayday, mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you. You, yeah. Mayday, mayday, tell me you'll come home. my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me. Only thing I need is your love. You say I'm one of a kind. You know, you ain't never lied. Fact is, you're one of one yourself. 'Cause you can love me like no one else. Don't get up and leave me hanging, let's just sleep today. Stay right here close to my heart and take my breath away. Let's make the most of our time. 'Cause I can love you like no one else. Mayday, mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you. You, mayday, mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me. Only thing I need is your love.
Now, this was an easy wig. I told y'all I love me a good easy wig. I really don't like to do too much. You could definitely wear this glueless if you choose to, but girl, I be trying to melt all the lice. Melt it, melt it, melt it, okay? Now, I will say this. It did shed a little bit as I was brushing through it. It may have been loose hairs. However, I just needed to mention that to you. The hair, though, is nice and pretty and lustrous, and I was going for that like kind of loose wave. I've slept in waves, like these waves been in for days. Nothing perfect curl, but like a loose slept in days old. You know what I'm saying? Because I like it when they're loose and slept in. Not really slept in, but you understand what I'm saying. Now, if you have a big head, girl, you definitely will be able to fit this unit. This is definitely big head friendly and it's beginner friendly too. Not to mention the hair texture, the lace, and the knotting is perfect. Everything fits good, comfortable, even without the drawstring. I know some of you ladies like extra securities, but I promise you, this one will definitely give you that, especially with the middle comb. Girl, listen, you cannot go wrong with the middle comb. This will anchor the whole wig down, so even if it slips back from the sides, baby, your wig still ain't going nowhere. You get lots of parting up in this bad boy. When I tell you there is so much parting, girl, the Red Sea ain't got nothing on this baby. Okay. But listen, you ain't got to take my word for it. Just go ahead and check out Bay Hairs. I will link everything down below for you guys so that way you can check them out. And on that note, I love y'all. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. If you did like this video and haven't subscribed, girl, what you waiting for? I love y'all. Stay diva and divolicious. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs the video up, and definitely share it with people you like or dislike. Girl, I don't really care who watched the video, just as long as they watch it. Bye.